Hi, welcome to tip number 16. Now, there's many ways to skin this particular cat, but this is one of them. It's one that I do quite frequently. When you're using a carbide end mill or face mill especially, nice big one like that, if you're facing big bits of steel, you get a lot of hot blue chips flying off. It's not very nice getting them on you. So what I do, I've got a big piece of clear polythene. It was clear. They're all burn marks from hot bits of metal. And I use magnets. These are old speaker cone magnets. You can also get magnets out of motors and hard drives. Get them anywhere, or you can just buy them. And I use that to stick the sheet around the mill temporarily, so that I can do my milling operation and not get covered in blue hot chips that burn your arms and hands. There we are. That's that one. Thanks for watching.